Hey, what's up, everybody? You're looking at our next project. This is going to be Project PW. So I picked it up off a buddy of mine for the low price of free. Oddly enough, I had a buddy that was wanting to get it out of his garage. It needs a rebuild. Definitely needs a piston and a cylinder head. We are going to order that today off of eBay. They're about 40 bucks. Need some miscellaneous nuts and bolts. Needs cleaned up a little bit, but for the price of free, I can't complain. Shout out to my buddy Dan. Like I said, he was looking to get rid of it. Brakes work, front and back brakes, kickstand. It's got it's not locked up. It definitely is not locked up. So we're gonna change the piston out, change the head out, and hopefully we'll have her running. My son fits on it. My youngest fits on it perfect, and they gave me a set of training wheels with it too. So we'll clean the carb up, and we'll be back with another video hopefully this week of rebuilding the engine. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.